In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ClickUp inbox. The inbox is where you can keep up with important activity across your workspace without having to jump between different tasks and views. It helps you stay organized by showing updates, comments, mentions, assignments, and reminders all in one place. Once you know how to use it properly, it becomes much easier to focus on what needs your attention right now and what can wait until later. To get started, open ClickUp and look at the left sidebar. Under the Home section, click Inbox. This is the main area where your notifications are collected, and it's the best place to begin when you want a quick overview of recent activity. Inside the inbox, start by opening Primary. This section is designed for your most important notifications. Here, you'll typically see things like task updates, comments, mentions, assignments, and reminders. These are the items that usually need the fastest review, so it's a good habit to check Primary first whenever you're catching up on work. Next, select Other. This section contains notifications that are less urgent. Even though they may not need immediate action, they can still be useful to review when you have time. Separating these from your primary updates helps reduce distraction and keeps your most important information easier to manage. If you come across a notification that you don't want to deal with right away, open it and move it to later. This is helpful when something needs attention, but not at the current moment. Using later can help you stay focused without losing track of tasks or updates you plan to return to. As you work through your notifications, clear the ones you've already reviewed or finished handling. Clearing them helps keep your inbox tidy and makes it easier to see what still needs attention. Once cleared, those notifications won't disappear completely. They'll be stored under Cleared for future reference. To manage those completed items, open the Cleared section. From there, you can review previously cleared notifications whenever needed. If you clear something by mistake or decide it still needs action, simply click Unclear to restore it back into your active notifications. Finally, if you need to locate certain types of updates more quickly, use the Filter option. Filtering allows you to narrow your inbox based on notification type or activity, which is especially useful when you're dealing with a large number of updates and want to find something specific without scrolling through everything manually. That's how to use the ClickUp inbox to stay organized, focused, and up to date. Thanks for watching.